SAIT200. This is an analog insulation resistance tester. This particular resistance tester has test voltage ranges of 250 volts, 500 volts, and 1000 volts. It also does obviously continuity and resistance. Its insulation resistance ranges are 100 mega ohms, 200 mega ohms, and 400 mega ohms. It does have a backlight, so you can read it in difficult lighting conditions. It's got a battery check mode and an ohms adjuster. It's also fuse protected, and this particular instrument is actually Cat 3, 300 volts. It comes with standard accessories, including these A080 test lead set with the screw-on alligator clips, and then we also have a 6-foot test lead that has the large alligator clips attached. So these are both included with all of our IRT tests.